Let us understand the step-by-step process of booking a supplier invoice in Strategic ERP. You have two options to book a purchase bill. For single GRN, directly select the GRN option, based on which other details will be auto-fetched. The multiple purchase orders or GRNs option applies when multiple purchase orders or GRNs are associated with a specific purchase order. Let's first understand how to book a purchase bill for a single GRN. In Purchase Bills form, under Purchase Management module, select the Search GRN option. Once you select the GRN, all necessary details will be auto-fetched based on the selected purchase order and GRN. Enter the bill number and bill date of the supplier. The details entered in the bill will auto-populate in the Summary Posting Details tab. You can view details such as received quantity, PO rate and basic rate. You can also edit the bill rate directly if required. If no further changes are required, verify the total purchase bill amount and click on Save to save the entry. You can also verify additional details such as tax code amount, GST amount and loading/unloading charges, and modify them if necessary. If TDS is applicable, select the TDS category and update details such as TDS principal, percentage and TDS amount. Click on Save and your data will be saved successfully. In case of multiple purchase orders or GRNs, select bill number, bill date of the supplier and project name. The name of company will auto-populate. Select the supplier name and PO number. When multiple challenges are associated with the selected PO, select from Challenge field and press space in the box to fetch all available challenges. The net amount and from challenge view will auto-populate. You can check and modify the details under the Summary Posting Details tab, which are fetched from the GRN. Click on Save to save the purchase invoice and follow the necessary steps for approval. The process of booking an invoice in Purchase Bill is now complete.